Wow, now that I can't splice my movies together, wow, I'm very upset. Anyways, this is the continuation of a video that just ended. So we were talking about how the numbers turn style into themselves, okay? These numbers is what makes up 1776. 1, 5, and 6, or 1, 6, and 5. This is 3, and this is 7, also the word white, right? Also the word white. They're all 65. They're 11 and 30 equals to 41. So 7 and 3 both will bring in the numbers 1 and 4, which will create, 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 creates 5 and 4, and minus it creates the 3, the electric company. This also creates your DNA. At the same time, it's creation in 11. 1 and 1 is 2, beta creation. All zeros equal 6. You're now into the birth world. 9 is your birth. It's after 8, and it becomes B. These are both B's because the second time you come into the piano, right, the second key, and this one is B and B in the piano. The 16th key is B again, the spirit of the half-life. Creation of BC is the 23rd key, and it's B again just before 24th key, which is C, center C. Creation of the cat in the beta world. Reception. So now back to 1776. This becomes 1 to 5 to 7 to 8 to 4 to 2 to 1. 1, I'm just going to hold on a second. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 1 and 5 equals 6. 7 and 5 is 12 equals 3. 5 and 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 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 Now, really, we also want to rainbow this, all of these. 7, 8, 4, 2, 1, 5, 7. And these are just combinations of equations that when we need them, I'll take them out and I'll show how certain things come together in the rainbow. I'll do all the rainbow situations. We need a supercomputer and the right question to really understand. Now, if I bring all of these together or I don't, 7 and 8 is 15, 1 and 5 is 6, 8 and 4 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3, 4 and 2 is 6, 2 and 1 is 3, 1 and 5 is 6, 5 and 12 is 1 and 2 is 12, is 1 and 2 is 3, 3, 6. See, that's the same. 1 and 2 is 3. 5 and 7 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 4 and 8 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 1 and 2 is 3. 8 and 7 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. 2 and 4 is 6. 7 and 5 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 4 and 8 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. Don't forget, right now, what I'm doing, I learned this for the first time right now, same time, so the video is done. So right now you have 666, 333. 666 333 666 333 666 333, and here you have 6669 3339 6669 3339, and all these at the end here because it ends in a 6. When you end in 6, 3, or 9, it's much different than anything else. We're going to bring up one more part of the cycle. Okay, is before it does turn over, what is the equivalent of the addition? 6, 9, 15, 18, 24, 27, and 3. So it's 27, and 6, 33. I separate them because I'm repeating them. Remember, you're logging in, and when you step across a bridge, you have to go from here all the way to here. Before any of this happens, you have to end up here. Otherwise, your foot is over the bridge, and you're a circumflex. You're between two worlds. So you must go 1, 2, 3. That's the way I do it. Now, the question is it this way or is it this way, right? Because over here, it's A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. And over here, right, it becomes 1, 4, 7. It's by threes. So are you crossing the bridge north-south or is it east-west where it goes by 1? You understand the way this works? This is our guide right here. Everybody gets a guide in the world. Everybody gets the same guide. Everybody gets the truth. Everybody knows that the two greens, positive in this is when you turn it on, and positive in this when you're additioning. Top to bottoms, divisions, center over. See these two dots? They're representing the centers here and here, right? What's representing in between here? What is representing this? Crossing over. Where's the plus sign? It's obviously in between here, right? Are you putting the plus sign between here and here and here and here? These are showing the dots. That's what my question is. plus is in between here. This is connecting the centers of all of these. That's the question. Or is it the two different worlds? There's another question. I have something else to say in another equation of mine. So now that we get the second row, right, we end up with 3, hold on, let me do this again. 9, 12, 18, 21. Maybe I shouldn't even use the original, and I should just go to 24. 24, 27, 33. So I got 3 different equations pending where my step is. But we're gonna work with 27. I'm gonna use the top one. Then I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 20, 27. Then I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Well, there's something wrong here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 4 is 12, 20, 27. Then the same thing with the 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4 is 12, 20, 27. And then the last one will be 2, 6, and 8 is 14, and 7 is 21, 26, 27. So every single number is 27. 27, 27, 27, 27. And it all says win a big red sun. 4 by 27, 108. Plus separation of 3 is 111. That's the way I like to look at it, because it's 3 times 36. So they're blocks, or whichever way you want to look at it. Remember, a cord of wood is 4 by 8 by 8 is 64 by 4 is 256. A cord of wood is half your memory, right? Cord of wood, a block of wood, right? A block of wood, just a 4 by 4 by 8. 8 feet this way, 8 feet this way, 4 feet high, right? They bury you 6 feet down. They square you off as 8 by 8 in a cord, okay? But you got only 4 feet high. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. So we got to bring these relationships, these equations together for a better understanding. The last part of this video, which I'm not going to do, is about number 73 times 5 equals 365. Cycle 16 times 73. I'm going to do this in the next video. 16 times 73 equals 1168. But that 73, okay, has to do with periods of 5. And it takes 16 years. 16, no, not 16 years. It takes 4 years to create that period. So 4 by 73. 4 by 73 is 292. That's why I kept seeing the 292 over here. We'll talk about that in the next video. 18 and 11, 9 and 2. Back to your birth again. Right? 9 minus 2 is 7. So you have 729. Right? It's a special number, 729. 729 divided by 9 equals 81. 81, that's right. 9 times 81 equals 729, and that's Venus, and you're back to the same number again. 18. Raphael 7286 in the connected videos. Thank you for watching. Saturday, the 31st of December, in a very strong year, and I am freaking proud of myself. But I ain't selling any clothes because I can't harbor the situation for too much longer. Or can I? Or is this just a ploy to sell? Meaning that how many more years can I go and rise if I can't, you know what I'm saying? I need to build the outside of certain things in order to make a move, to get a building, to make a movement. In order to make a movement of peace, you have to grow at peace, right? Grow at peace, individuality is one of the basic ways to grow at peace. They can't run into 365 million homes, but they can run into one home with, that's holding, you know, all these unions together. Our union is being at home. That's where our union is. They can cut off a few flies. You can go to a friend's house. They can't cut all the flies down. Do you follow what I'm saying? The union is at home to begin with. Home base. Raphael, you're it. Thank you for watching.